what we're gonna do here is, what I always do when I make brisket is I have a bunch of brisket for my friends, but I cut off all the chunks and I save them for myself so I can make brisket melts the next day.
And brisket ragu, brisket hash, brisket everything.
You could go for an eternity. Yeah. You know, even all that beautiful Italian food that you make, like to put some smoked brisket into oh my God, it's unbelievable. It's fantastic. So then we top this with, you know, Swiss or whatever cheese that you are having a hankering for. We put this into our oven till the cheese melts. We have some caramelized onions over there.
I gotcha.
This goes in.
I don't have anything, I'm just eating.
This one comes out. Come on, Rach, right? And then what we do is we have a little bit of toasted rye, and then this is our Cleveland barbecue sauce, which is one of your favorites, that Burtman's brown mustard with a lot of vinegar and some chilies in there.
Mustard will change your life.
You put that on top. You can hit it with some caramelized onions. Are you in the mood for Thousand Island?
Shut the door, yes.
Little Russian dressing.
Come on.
Boom. And that's it.
Mine.
Happy.
You gotta go make your own. That's mine.